and an international airline is showing what the future could hold for airports during this pandemic. Emirates Airlines started testing passengers before flights with a blood test, results coming back within 10 minutes. These tests do not diagnose COVID-19. Instead, they check for antibodies, which can show if someone has been exposed to the virus and developed antibodies against it. But as Iman Boyd reports, it's a practice that might have other airlines following suit because of safety.
Do I think U.S. air carriers will do it? Yeah, I would expect them to feel compelled because they're going to want to build trust in the system.
It's a possibility. Pre-flight testing of COVID-19 could be the new norm for airports. This after Emirates Airlines did their own testing in Dubai. Passengers had to give a finger prick blood sample. It's something aviation's agent Brian Del Monte says could make passengers feel safer.
They want to not be accused of spreading infectious agents. Right? They want to build trust with the passengers on board that the guy next to you isn't going to get you sick.
Del Monte says that there's a possibility U.S. airlines could follow the practice, but not without pushback.
I would expect there are liability issues on, let's say you take the finger prick test, the machine doesn't work correctly, guy gets on COVID-19, whole plane gets infected. Well, who bears the responsibility for that?
There's no evidence that rapid COVID-19 testing is effective. Del Monte says it's too early to determine when U.S. airlines will require testing.
This is an inherently governmental activity. If we're going to screen people for infectious agents, we don't have all the picture yet on pathology in terms of when people are contagious and when not. I think they should stay away from it and solve the public health crisis, which means instilling trust, coordinating, testing, and a slow return to normal.
Iman Boyd, KATC TV3.